When it comes to friendships, it's a no-brainer that we all want to surround ourselves with people who genuinely care about us. But let's be honest, it's not always easy to figure out who's truly got your back and who's just pretending to. Have you ever found yourself wondering whether a certain friend is genuinely invested in your life or just using you for their own benefit? You're not alone. So many of us struggle to distinguish between true friends and those who may not have our best interests at heart. It's a common dilemma that can leave us feeling uncertain, anxious, or even betrayed. The thing is, it's really hard to spot fake friends when they're experts at hiding behind a mask of kindness and concern. They might be amazing at making empty promises or offering shallow words of encouragement, but ultimately, they're only looking out for themselves. And the worst part is they can make us feel like we're the ones who are being too sensitive or paranoid. But here's the good news. There are signs that can help us identify whether we have a real friend or not. And today, I'm going to share the top 5 indicators that prove you have a genuine friend who's truly invested in your life. Sign 1. They stand by you in every situation. A true friend is someone who stands by you during tough times, even when the world turns its back on you. They're not just there for the happy moments, but become your pillar of support when life throws challenges your way. When you're struggling with problems or dealing with emotional turmoil, a real friend listens without judgment. They don't just offer empty words of comfort, but also provide practical advice and, if needed, actively help you solve the problem. A real friend never laughs at your mistakes, but helps you learn from them. Their presence becomes an emotional support system that motivates you to face life's challenges with confidence. They ensure you never feel alone, giving you the reassurance that you can handle any situation. Sometimes, you'll notice that when you need someone the most, a true friend understands your feelings without even a call or a message. This is a rare and precious gift. It shows their deep connection with you. They're not there just for the highlights of your life, but are ready to support you in both small and big problems. Sign 2. They accept you as you are. A true friend never tries to change you. They accept you with all your strengths and weaknesses. They don't care if you're not perfect because their friendship is based on your true self, not on any fake image. In life, we often meet people who judge, criticize, or point out our flaws. But a real friend understands and respects your individuality. Whether you're an introvert or an extrovert, lazy or overambitious, they try to understand you and stand by you unconditionally. They don't pressure you to behave according to their expectations. Even if your opinions or interests differ, they value them and celebrate your uniqueness. This is one of the most significant aspects of a genuine friendship. You feel comfortable being yourself with them without any pretenses. Another important point is that true friends never judge you for your past. If you've made mistakes or taken a wrong path, they stand by you and motivate you to improve. Their presence gives you the strength to become a better version of yourself without feeling insecure. Sign 3. They genuinely celebrate your success and happiness. One of the biggest signs of a true friend is that they are genuinely happy for your achievements and success. Often, we encounter people who pretend to be happy for us, but are secretly insecure about our progress. A true friend doesn't do this. They wholeheartedly want you to grow in life and always celebrate your achievements. When you accomplish a goal, they become your cheerleader. They never feel that your success makes them smaller. Instead, they embrace your growth as their own happiness. A true friend believes in collaboration, not competition. They appreciate your strengths and see your success as motivation. It's important to understand that a genuine friend never fakes their happiness for you. If they're happy for you, it will show naturally. They are genuinely supportive of your goals and dreams, and when you achieve them, their excitement matches yours. This emotional connection deepens the bond of friendship. You'll notice that a true friend always brings positive energy during your moments of happiness and success. They celebrate even your smallest achievements, making you feel that your hard work was worth it. Having such a friend is a blessing because they become an integral part of your emotional and professional journey. Sign 4. They speak the truth about your mistakes. A true friend never sugarcoats the truth just to make you happy. They will point out your mistakes clearly, even if it's something you don't want to hear. However, their criticism is always constructive, aiming to help you become better. In life, Many people only praise you or ignore your mistakes because they're afraid of upsetting you. But a real friend thinks about your future. They remain honest and try to guide you in the right direction, even if it means facing your temporary anger. They act like a mirror, showing you your reality. When you're headed toward a wrong decision, they warn you without hesitation. This honesty reflects the purity of their friendship. Their criticism is always empathetic and solution-oriented, ensuring you feel that they're on your side and genuinely interested in your improvement. You'll notice that such friends never gossip behind your back. If they have a problem with you, they will address it directly. This transparency builds the foundation of a healthy friendship. They make your bond so strong that you take their words seriously and make better life decisions. Sign 5. They respect your privacy. A real friend will never make your private matters public. They will always keep your secrets safe and never misuse them. This trust is the most critical pillar of friendship, which a true friend never breaks. They keep your private conversations, problems, and insecurities confidential. They understand that you share your feelings with them because you trust them. They never feel the need to break that trust because their character is strong and they respect your emotional boundaries. A genuine friend will never discuss your personal matters without your permission. Even if there's a misunderstanding between you two, they won't misuse what they know about you. This reflects their loyalty, making them a unique and trustworthy friend. They also respect your boundaries. If you're not comfortable discussing something, they won't force you. Instead, they give you the space to open up when you're ready. This respect strengthens the bond of friendship and makes it last a lifetime. Conclusion. Friendship is one of the most beautiful and meaningful relationships in life. However, not every friend you meet will be a true one. Identifying real friends is essential because they bring genuine value, support, and happiness to your life. A real friend stands by you during tough times, accepts you for who you are, genuinely celebrates your successes, speaks the truth about your mistakes, and respects your privacy. These signs are the foundation of an honest and lasting friendship. Such friendships are rare, and if you have someone who fulfills these criteria, cherish them. True friends are not only a source of joy, but also act as guides, motivators, and confidants. They shape your life in ways no one else can, making you feel stronger, supported, and loved. In a world full of superficial connections, a true friend is like a lighthouse in a storm, guiding you safely to shore. Nurture these bonds, show gratitude, and reciprocate their loyalty and care. After all, as the saying goes, a friend in need is a friend indeed. So, to recap, the 5 signs that prove you have a real friend are: they show up for you in person, they listen to you without judgment, they support your growth and progress, they're honest with you, and they forgive you and give you second chances. These signs are the hallmarks of a genuine friendship, one that's built on trust, empathy, and mutual respect. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you've had an experience with a fake friend, or if you've got a story to share about a real friend who's made a huge impact on your life, please leave a comment down below. And if you want to explore more videos on friendships and relationships, check out